Hi, I'm Carl from OnePlus.
What's up, Carl?
And welcome to the world's first product launch in AR. Introducing Nord. It's pretty much everything you could ask for.
This is wild. How about that for a launch event? Holy, so you can 70% charge in half an hour, and obviously the 90 hertz display. People want the high refresh. Look at that color, Will, that is.
We named this new product line Nord so that we're always reminded of our direction. When designing Nord, we took inspiration from the natural world and developed two incredible colors. The first is blue marble. It's smooth, striking, and elegantly reflects its environment. Here's Nord in its second color scheme, gray onyx, with a subtle metallic finish under the glass. On the front, you'll find a 6.44-inch fluid AMOLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate and a bezel-less design. At the heart of every OnePlus phone is great performance, and that all starts with the processor. Nord is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 765 5G that boasts 10% faster speeds, 30% faster graphics, and 35% better power consumption than its predecessor, the 730G. The 765 also comes with support for 5G and can deliver download speeds of up to 3.4 gigabits per second. We've also fitted the Nord with up to 12 gigs of RAM. That amount of RAM allows Nord to preserve the status of your favorite apps so they don't have to reload when you jump from one to the other. Here's an example of a display running at 1 Hz. Finally, let's take a look at Nord's 90 Hz fluid display. You can see that everything is fast and more reactive to every touch. Now, let's talk cameras. Now, we had to ask nicely, but the OnePlus 8 was kind enough to share its 48-megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor with Nord. Flanking Nord's main sensor is an ultra-wide angle, offering a 119-degree field of view. Nord also comes with a dedicated macro camera that lets you get as close as 4 centimeters to a subject and a depth sensor to help apply a more accurate bokeh to portrait mode photos. Here's a shot I took of central Shenzhen from my balcony with nightscape mode. If we zoom in, you can see the scene is bursting with vivid colors and detail. In fact, I think this one will go straight to my Instagram after I finish presenting. Nord also comes with the highest resolution front camera setup. In addition to a main 32-megapixel sensor, you'll also find another ultra-wide angle lens with a 105-degree field of view, so you can fit more of your friends, your pets, or maybe just your pet's friends. Nord supports Warp Charge 30T that can refill its 4100 milliamp hour battery from empty to 70% in just half an hour. I'm happy to announce that in India, Nord starts at 24,999 and releases starting August 4th. It will be available to purchase on Amazon, OnePlus.in, and in OnePlus Experience and partner stores. In Europe, Nord will start at €399 and £379. It will be available on August 4th from OnePlus.com, as well as our carrier and retail partners. And that marks the end of the world's first smartphone launch done entirely in AR. So what's next? This new path is as much ours as it is yours. Together, with our community, we're going to continue to push ourselves in ways we've never done before. This is our new beginning.